Today is the Forest Friendship Festival, and this year, I'm going to win that star.
Win it? Of course! I just need to be the fastest, strongest, smartest, and best at everything. That sounds exhausting. Maybe a little.
I'll become good at everything.
Jimmy, you don't have to be everyone else.
Prepare yourself, Jumbo. For what? The Great Squirrel Sprint. Ready?
Have you ever watched this type of AI cartoon movies for kids and you wonder how people get this done? In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can do that using free AI tools that you don't need to pay for. Mostly people think that those amazing videos, this kind of cartoon animation videos are difficult to create. If you are thinking like that, thank goodness that you have found my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you in 4 basic steps how you can get this done, and it's very, very easy to do. If you are on your mobile phone, I'll get you along. If you are on your Windows, then this is exactly for you. If you are thinking of how you can get this prompt and get this done, stick and stay to the end of this video, because at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can have access to all the prompts that I'll be using in this particular tutorial. And I know you are very interested in this already and you know what to do right now. And with that being said and done, let's head over to my screen. Let me take you into this tutorial right now, guys. So guys, we are on my screen right now, and all you need to do is to just open your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. Of course, if you are on your mobile phone, just open your Google Chrome browser. But if you're on your Windows, same too, you just open your Google Chrome website. Okay, then you search for ChatGPT. You know, I like using ChatGPT a lot. So you just type ChatGPT, this one right here. And then here we go. And you tap on the first one right here. So we have the interface like this. And I'll just log in. So here we are on our ChatGPT interface like this. If you want to use voice to prompt ChatGPT, you are free to go. If you want to have a conversation with ChatGPT, this is the interface and this is the feature you are going to use. If you want to type, you type here. If you want to use your voice to say whatever you want to say and ChatGPT will type it for you, this is what you will tap on. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we have our prompt already, and I'm just going to bring in my prompt right here. And I want to break down this prompt for you because to tell you the truth, if you have a boring storyline, nobody will want to watch your cartoons because it will not be interesting. It will be boring. People are not ready to watch. But if you have a story idea that is interesting, that is catchy, that is attention driven, people will stick and stay to watch that your video. And with that being said, let's continue with let me break down my story idea for you, and you be the judge for yourself to tell me whether it is beautiful, it is interesting or not. So let's go back, and here I'm just pasting my prompt here. Now let me read this out to you. You are an award-winning children's animated movie writer, pizza-style storytelling expert with 20 years of experience. Write a 5-minute animated cartoon screenplay for YouTube Kids featuring lovable talking animals. Target audience age 4 to 10. Use simple, natural English, funny and heartwarming. No violence, politics, horror, or adult themes. Main character Jimmy the Squirrel. And then we have curious. Jimmy is curious, kind, want to win the Forest Friendship Star. Often compares himself. Yes. So supporting characters: Milo the elephant, calm, dependable; Jumbo the rabbit, fast and playful; Gabby the grass cutter, hardworking and reliable; and Sally the wise parrot, intelligent and gently guiding. Then the setting is sunny Akon village during the Forest Friendship Festival. Then story arc: Jimmy feels insecure, tries to copy others, makes funny mistakes, then solves a festival problem using his own squirrel strengths, and the rest. So this is just my idea of what I want or what I imagined. Remember, I used to tell you in all my animation video generation that you need to give your idea, what you have in your head, to this ChatGPT for you to get the best and the amazing women feel of what exactly you want. And what I've read to you, that's exactly what was in my mind as I was thinking about this, and exactly that is what I'm giving to ChatGPT right now. And let's see what exactly what we'll get out of this. So let's tap on what? Send. And here we go. As you can see, ChatGPT is done generating the entire script for us. Okay, this scene 2, and okay, and we have all the conversation, the screenplay, and every other thing right now. So you get it at the end of the story, or we have the moral lesson here. You don't need to be the best at everything. Your own gifts are enough. You get it. So that's what we are. That's what the kids will be able to learn at the end of this entire story. Now, this is the script. This is the story. Now, how do we get this story into animation? That's where the second prompt comes in, because we are heading over to our script folder, and then we copy the prompt 2, which is what? Cartoon image prompts. That's what I named it, and this is what we are coming to use. And I don't really need to read this, because at the end of it all, I will still show you how you can get this done. I'll show you how you can get this prompt for you to generate your videos yourself. You get it? So let me just copy this right now, and then I'll go and tap on copy. Then I'll head over to ChatGPT, and then I'll paste it, guys. So we are here, paste it, and then we send it. Basically, what we are coming to do is we are transforming all these scripts into master prompts, that's image to video prompt, that we can copy and paste into the video generation software for us to get our video or animation generation done right here. So this is what we have here. This is part 1, and then we have the screenplay, the scene 1, the Sunny Akon village establishing shot. Okay, so this is the like kind of prompt 1 with the dialogue right here, as you can see. So all we need to do is to copy the scene 1. So somebody will ask, how do I get my character consistency? The trick is that you need to, in your prompting, you need to tell ChatGPT what to do, and that's exactly what I did. I told ChatGPT, I prompted ChatGPT to give me each character with detailed description. You get it? So as you can see, this is Jimmy the squirrel, and this is his entire character that will be getting in all the prompts. So as this is Sally, this is Little Squirrel, this is Gabby the grass cutter, and then all of that. So we come to part 1, scene 1, and we are coming to copy the entire image prompt and head over to our video animation generator to get that done. So this is it. We are copying right from the breathtaking all the way down to where the dialogue is, as you can see, guys. So this is where we are coming to copy the entire prompt 1 copy. So let's open a new tab right now, and then we search for Flow AI, guys. So that's Google Flow AI, and then here we are on the Google Flow interface like this, and you tap on new project. Okay, and here we go. This is the interface. Now, before we start with the video generation, we don't want to generate image and then we move from image generation to video generation. All we want to do is to head over and generate our video directly. So all we need to do is to come to the top here, tap on it, and then under types, you click, you mark or you tick videos, and then you come to aspect ratio, you put it on landscape, because we are doing this for YouTube. If it's for YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Facebook or any other, we use portrait. And then you come down to duration, and we select 10 seconds. Leave created column alone. Leave this at 720p. Okay, and then you go back and then you paste the entire prompt that we have copied. Now, first of all, for you to have your conversation right, you need to come to the dialogue column and see whether everything is right. Then the narrator's voice here. So welcome to Sunny Village, blah 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 festival, and then we come to Jimmy. what Jimmy is saying. um then yeah, so that's Jimmy's dialogue, and with the narrator's voice, that's the kind of intro. You get it? So all we need to do is to just send it. After reviewing it, you just send it. Okay, whilst we are waiting for this video to be generated, I want you to give this video a thumbs up if you have watched this video up to this point, because this is exactly what you need to do, and it's going to help you. Now once you see a pop-up like this, all you need to do is to tap on approve, and your video will automatically start generating. You get it, guys? So all I want you to do is to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I give you AI automation, AI tools, prompt engineering, and what have you. Now if you want my one-on-one coaching, kindly check the description of this video and tap on the link there, and you'll join me in my DM and tell me what you want to do, the kind of videos you want to be creating, the channel that you want to create, or I'll take you through the entire anything YouTube, anything social media, anything automation. I'm here for you. So let's wait for our video to be generated. Guys, as you can see, it's generating, and in no time, I think we have our video almost ready here. Guys, can you see this is beautiful already? And guys, can you see? Wow, I love this. Yay! So let's preview this and see what we have here.
Welcome to Sunny Acorn Village.
Today is the Forest Friendship Festival, the happiest day of the year. Careful! Important festival acorns coming.
Whoa, so I think the dialogue is way longer than 10 seconds, but that's exactly how we do it. So the prompt 2 will give us a continuation of that, so we don't need to worry. So let's tap on the drop down arrow here to download, and our video is done downloading. So let's go back, close this, and then we head over back to our ChatGPT, copy the prompt 2 or the scene 2. Guys, can you see? So this is scene 2. Okay, so let's copy all the way from the in here, and then slowly, as you can see, until we hit the dialogue part. Guys, can you see? So okay, so we copy this entire prompt here, go back to Google Flow again, and then we paste it there, and then we check the dialogue column. Okay, then Jimmy is the only one talking here. Wow, this blah 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 blah, and then wow, you are so fast, and then Jimmy and Gabby can't fix anything, blah 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 blah. So guys, can you see this? So all we need to do is to just send it again. So guys, our scene 2 is ready here. Wow, let's preview and see what we have here.
Wow, Milo, you're so strong. Wow, you're so fast. And Gabby can fix anything.
And Sally knows everything.
Wow, this squirrel is feeling what? Okay, let's tap on the drop down arrow here to download it, and then this is exactly how you will continue to generate all the scenes, guys. And so this is exactly how you do it. Go to ChatGPT, copy scene 3, come and paste it here, check the dialogue section, and then you generate. And then this is exactly how you remember on Google Flow, you have 50 daily credits. I'm surprised that people are still commenting that the video generation model is limited. But I remember I've said it in almost all my videos that if you use one email, you'll be able to generate like 3 scenes, 10 seconds, 3 scenes of your animation videos. All you need to do is to switch to the next email address. So get email address like 4 5, and you'll be able to generate like 3 minutes video, 4 minutes video every single day, depending on the number of emails that you have that you can switch in between. So that's exactly how to do that. And all you need to do is to repeat this same process and get all your scenes ready. After you have all your scenes ready, let's head over to my editing software. Let's put this together, do some touches, and we are ready to go. So on my screen right now, I'm going to open CapCut. If you're on your phone, open your CapCut. Once your CapCut is open like this, tap on create project, guys. Then tap on import. Then it will take you to this. Let's go to downloads, and I think this is our videos. So select the videos like this, open them, And then here we are. We are not going to do much because we have all our camera angles and dialogues ready. So all you need to do is to tap and hold to the drop down scene here. Make sure you add all your scenes. Guys, do you see? And I don't want this video to be way too long. So once you are here, you look for transitions, you put it in the middle. So once you are there, you put some transitions. I've said that I've done that video in my previous video, how to edit videos like this. So I don't think I need to do detail editing right here. So by you're on CapCut, so all you need to do is to watermark your video. I said it in my previous CapCut editing video. If you have not watched it, go back and watch it. And when you are coming to edit, you implement exactly what I said in my previous video, and you'll be able to edit here. Once you are done, tap on export, and you'll be able to export your video to your device, and then you go ahead and upload it on any social media platform of your choice. I believe we have come to the end of this tutorial, and everything that is needed to be said, I said it already in this particular video. But if you have questions for me, if you want the prompt, there's that prompt that I use, check the description of this video. And if you want my one-on-one coaching for me to teach you exactly how to do social media the right way, how to create your channel, or anything social media, anything AI automation, anything prompt engineering, I am here for you. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description, send me a DM and we take it right from there. My name is Rhain. This is Rhain Creators Academy, and I will see you in my next tutorial. I'm out, guys.